Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Imagine having a secret key that unlocks the doors to all your wishes. Relief from difficulties, blessings, and success in life. What if we told you that such a key exists, and it is found within the Quran? Many believers have experienced miraculous changes in their lives by reciting certain chapters with sincerity. Today, we will explore a powerful surah known for its ability to grant quick relief and fulfill the needs of those who turn to Allah with pure hearts. Welcome to Rutsafdeen. Before we begin, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiring Islamic content. May Allah bless you abundantly for every effort you make in spreading His message. The power of Quranic recitation. The Quran is a divine source of guidance, mercy, and healing for humanity. Among its verses, some hold special blessings when recited with sincerity. One such surah is known for bringing quick relief and blessings to those who recite it with devotion and trust in Allah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, emphasized that the fulfillment of a believer's needs depends on their sincerity, faith, and connection with Allah. Let's explore the qualities and actions that make supplications more effective and help us attain Allah's mercy. Who are the people whose prayers are answered quickly? Number 1. Fear of Allah and obedience to His commands. Those who live their lives according to Allah's guidance, following His commands and avoiding prohibited actions, are blessed with quick relief and divine assistance. Allah promises in the Quran, "Whatever you ask for, it will be granted to you." This means that sincerity and devotion ensure that Allah hears and responds to our prayers. Number 2. The power of sincere prayer and charity. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Charity increases sustenance and removes difficulties." Sahih Muslim. Giving charity with pure intentions not only helps those in need, but also brings blessings into our own lives. When we give in the way of Allah, He showers His mercy upon us, granting ease and fulfillment in return. Number 3. Patience in times of hardship. Trials are a test of faith, and those who remain patient are rewarded immensely. Allah assures us in the Quran, "Indeed, Allah is with those who are patient." The ability to endure hardships with faith ensures that our prayers are answered at the right time. Number 4. Regular observance of Salah, prayer. Salah is a pillar of Islam and a direct connection with Allah. Those who perform their prayers with sincerity and consistency experience divine guidance and blessings. Allah states, "Your success lies in your supplication, provided that you establish prayer." Those who maintain their prayers see their lives transform as they draw closer to Allah. Number 5. Piety and helping others. Islam emphasizes kindness and selflessness. Helping others not only fulfills their needs but also brings blessings into our own lives. Allah commands in the Quran, "Help one another in righteousness and piety." Surah Al-Ma'idah. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also said, "Whoever helps a fellow Muslim, it is as though they are striving in the path of Allah." Such people find that Allah fulfills their needs in miraculous ways. The virtue of helping others. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, stated that Allah has created certain people whose purpose is to fulfill the needs of others. These individuals are granted special mercy, and on the Day of Judgment, they will be honored by Allah. Whoever strives to fulfill the need of a fellow Muslim, whether or not the need is fulfilled, Allah forgives all their past and future sins. 2 major blessings are promised for such individuals: freedom from the hellfire, immunity from hypocrisy. The power of supplication. Dua. Dua is one of the most powerful tools a believer has. Allah repeatedly reminds us in the Quran, "Call upon me, I will respond to you." Surah Ghafir 40:60. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, constantly made supplications, seeking both worldly and spiritual blessings. Following his example, believers should incorporate sincere supplication into their daily routine. A powerful surah for quick relief. One surah known for its miraculous ability to fulfill urgent needs is Surah Al-Fath, chapter 48 of the Quran. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever recites Surah Al-Fath, Allah will fulfill their needs and grant them relief from hardships." Method of recitation for quick relief. To maximize the blessings of Surah Al-Fath, follow this method. Number 1. Recite it 7, 11, 21, or 40 times based on your capacity. Number 2, before and after recitation, send blessings upon the Prophet, Durud Sharif. Number 3, after completing the recitation, make a heartfelt supplication with complete trust in Allah's mercy. Number 4, make it a daily habit to seek continuous blessings and ease in difficulties. The role of istighfar, seeking forgiveness. One of the most powerful ways to seek Allah's help is through istighfar, seeking forgiveness. The Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, emphasized its importance, saying, "Whoever frequently seeks forgiveness, Allah will provide them relief from every worry, a way out of every hardship, and sustenance from sources they could never imagine." Abu Dawood, Allah promises in the Quran, "Ask forgiveness of your Lord. Indeed, He is ever a perpetual forgiver. He will send rain from the sky upon you in continuing showers and give you increase in wealth and children and provide for you gardens and rivers." Surah An 71:10-12. Supplication for seeking help if you feel lost or helpless. Call upon Allah with this supplication. O servants of Allah, help me. O servants of Allah, help me. This supplication acknowledges the unseen helpers Allah has appointed, including angels and righteous servants, who assist believers by His will. Practical steps to have your needs fulfilled. To summarize, here's what you can do to ensure your prayers are answered. Number 1, strengthen your relationship with Allah, perform regular prayers and practice patience. Number 2, recite Surah Al-Fath. Follow the recommended method for quick relief. Number 3, engage in istighfar. Seek Allah's forgiveness daily. Number 4, send Durud Sharif frequently. Sending blessings upon the Prophet, peace be upon him, brings mercy. Number 5, help others. Actively assist those in need and trust in Allah's reward. Number 6, make sincere dua. Call upon Allah with complete faith in His power and mercy. A final message, dear viewers. Never lose hope in Allah's mercy. No matter how great your difficulties may seem, trust that Allah can remove them, as He assures us in the Quran. And He will provide for him from sources he never could imagine. And whoever puts their trust in Allah, He will be sufficient for them. Surah At-Talaq 65:3. May Allah grant us the ability to act upon these teachings, forgive our shortcomings, and accept our prayers. Share this knowledge with others so they too may benefit. May Allah bless you abundantly and fulfill all your lawful needs. Ameen.